The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. The sweet sound of someone sleeping. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are out on social media that shows persons who did and said some things that might surprise you. You see me? Or might not be surprising. You see me? So as I present these videos to you, you can let me know if these videos surprises you or not. You see me? You can let me know which one of these videos surprises you from which one don't surprise you. You see me? And I myself will tell you if these videos surprises me or not. Like, you know, if this one surprised me or if this one don't surprise me and so on. You see me? And I might tell you what I think overall about these videos as well. You see me? Now, I just presented to you a video that's out on social media where it is said that this video shows a person sleeping on a job. You see me? To be honest, that video shows something that happened that surprises me. You see me? It makes me wonder if this person is at a job. You see what I'm saying to you? Or if the person is not at a job. You see me? Or, you know, if this video is of something that happened for real or if it is just an act. You understand? However, you know, you can let me know what you think about the video. See me? Let me know if you think this video surprises you or not. Alright? Next video that I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show a person with a swollen lip making something that some persons might call a spliff or a cigar. You know, I'm not sure what it's called at times. Or depends on the country that you're in. You see me? And I'm not sure if this person is actually using tobacco or what. You see me? But however, this video shows this person doing this thing. So may I say to you, and you know, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Bro, this look fast, ain't nothing but a look. You know how to roll, you don't need no lip. That ain't work. Guess what? Got him. Oh, y'all need to see this. Got him. Oh my daddy, that gross. Don't know how to roll. Not way related.
Viewers and subscribers, say no to drugs. You understand? Say no to drugs. You see me? Now, this video kind of surprises me. I'm telling you the truth. Is what I'm saying to you. I mean, if this person's lip is really and truly swollen, you see me? Because maybe the person is wearing a fake lip. Who knows? You understand? But however, you know, what surprises me is that if this person actually has a real swollen lip and went on camera and show him doing something like this, you see me, and put it out there on social media, it surprises me in a way. You see me? I say, Yeah, because if it was me, I don't think I would be on camera with my lip looking like that. You see me? But you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know if what had happened in that video, if it surprises you or not. Alright? Next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a person got surprised that he was on camera. Alright? It's not really a long video, but here it is. And some of the scenes in this short video might not be suitable for everyone, so viewers' discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Jesus Christ, and I meet that boy where the bomber.
It surprises me sometimes how persons react to technology. You see what I'm saying to you? That video don't really surprise me, really and truly, you know? Yeah, it's not the first me see where persons got surprised because they're on camera. You see me? The next video I'm going to present to you is going to show a person who got surprised because he was on camera a certain way. You see me? Yeah, it's because of something that happened while the person was on camera. Here I'm going to present the video to you. And some of the things said in this video might not be suitable for everyone. So viewers' discretion is advised. Now here it is. Take a look, listen and observe.
How the bomb clad? You put on how then you put on family nose I mean you know said that you know how the bomb clad you tell me about you know
Is it?
me grandman look
I told you
bomb clad. No, wipe here for the map. Me no want to see that bomb clad.
Viewers and subscribers, on a real, this video don't surprise me either, you know. Next video that I'm going to present to you, this video shows when a motor vehicle almost collided into a motor vehicle, right? Like one vehicle almost hit the other vehicle in a very bad way. You see me, I said to you, I don't even know how to explain this one in a certain way, viewers and subscribers, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Slow down, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Slow down. Go on. Go on.
Now viewers and subscribers, that video is somewhat surprising to me. You see? Yeah. That video is somewhat surprising to me. May I tell you, yo. Give thanks that no one, you know, give thanks that the vehicle didn't hit the other vehicle. You see me? No one got hurt as far as what we see in this video. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, the next video that I'm going to present to you, you know, you're going to hear a person talking in the background of this video. And this person said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that if his wife called him, what he's going to tell her if she asks where he's at because of where he is at. You see me? Here is the video. Take a look. Listen and observe.
Yeah, I'm presently in Port Royal on the government's work, of course, the NWC's work. But occasionally my wife would call. And I'm just a little curious because the truck is inside the premises. And if she should call and ask me where I'm at. I wonder what I should tell her. Food for thought.
Just tell her the truth. You see me? I wouldn't advise anyone to lie. Just tell her the truth. You see me? Yeah, you might have to go on camera to make she understand what you're saying, but just tell her the truth. You're at a place that is known as Rosey, and you see the rest of the name. You see me? I say so. You either can tell her one out of the two, or tell her both of them put together. It's up to you. But you know, if she's going to take it a certain way, I think you should actually go on camera if you can. Alright. Viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. You see me? I saw these videos out on social media, and these videos, they're getting a buzz, and comments are made about these videos that gave me the understanding that some persons found some of these videos to be shocking or surprising. You see me? And some persons on social media found some of these videos to be not so surprising, you see me? And some persons on social media also found some of these videos to be funny, while some do not find it to be funny. You understand? You can let me know what you think about these videos. You can let me know if you think these videos are funny or not, or if they're surprising or not, and so on. You see me? You can tell me overall what you think about these videos. Alright, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.